Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man. Back with a quick unboxing and review. Super happy to pick this up, man. It's been about 3 months since I should have got it, but you know what, man? I'm just happy to be able to get one now. Enough talking. What do we got here 3 months later? Brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max in the titanium, right? Let's get it. So UPS just dropped this off. Something I found very peculiar about this one versus the last year's version when I first got it was the fact that this one came where I had to sign for it. So in the box, we got whatever this little puff stuff is, which I think is really cool. As a phone, that's pretty cool. And then the star of the show right here, iPhone 15 Pro Max in the titanium. Really looking forward to this phone, man. 15 Pro Max in the titanium. Really looking forward to this phone. I've been wanting this one since I saw it. I usually always try to get the different colorway, but I'm like, dude, I can't determine or can't decide between white, black, or titanium. And I was like, let's just go with titanium. So here we go right here. When you look, iPhone 15 right here, or just iPhone, it shimmers a little bit. I don't know if you all can see the shimmering, but I can. And then on the back here, we got iPhone 15 Pro Max. Same thing right here, the shimmers. I think it's really cool that they went to go with the white box versus, was that last year or the other year, where they went with the black boxes. So this is pretty cool, man. Enough talking, let's unravel it. Listen to the sound, man. Nothing more satisfying than that. Then we're just gonna unbox it right here. Will this unbox? Whew. There we go. Oh, it's kind of stuck to the bottom. Oh, you know what? There was two of them. I didn't even realize that. Okay. Don't need that though, but there was two of them. So right here you see the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max in the titanium, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna set this aside for right now. Apple stickers right here. It would have been nice if they do the color in titanium. They didn't, just the white Apple stickers. And then designed by Apple in California. Then for the first time, man, on an iPhone, we have a USB-C cable. Now this braided cable is, I believe, a 2.0 braided cable, while the USB-C or 2.0 USB-C, well, I think the phone goes up to 3.0. So you're still going to get fast transfer speeds, but for the first time in an iPhone, man, you can take your iPhone, plug it directly into your Mac, like right here, and transfer everything. You can always do it via AirDrop if that's what you like to do. And then you can even plug this in directly to a standalone SSD, man. Absolutely love it. This should make all your content creation, your photos, and things that you like to do so much more easier. I'm looking forward to it. So USB-C cable, and that's it, man. It's really simple, really easy. I mean, beautiful setup here, and I love it. But again, man, this color is absolutely gorgeous. Let's compare it with my Mac right there. I mean, they almost like twinsies, you know? So I decided to get this along with this beautiful case here, the iPhone 15 Pro silicone case in the clay color. So let's put these two together, man, and see what we look like. First, I'm gonna unravel this, man. I just think it's so beautiful to do. Look at this. Whew, man, I mean, this iPhone is absolutely gorgeous. Whew. Yeah, the power switch right here. One thing that's new, you got the action button, kind of like what you do right here for the Apple Watch, up and down. But the difference is this year with this action button, you're going to be able to set things like taking pictures, do a flashlight. This still works as the unmute switch. Now all you got to do is click it. So I think that's really cool that they set that up like so. So let's go ahead and sit our iPhone 15 Pro Max down here. I'll be back to you later. And go ahead and unravel the case. I love that sound, man. And let's look in our box right here. And that's it for the box. Very beautiful box. The boxes used to be embossed, if you all ever realized that. They kind of perforated up. I like that. But they don't do that anymore. Who knows why. So probably saving on money or save something for the environment. Comes with the case for literature. And then the iPhone 15 Pro Max case in clay. I went with silicone this year. I thought that would be a good look. And let's just go ahead and compare the two, or pair this with this case there. Man, oh man. I mean, that thing is gorgeous, bro. Yeah. So it really shows off the phone, still allows you to do whatever you need to do. I chose not to get another MagSafe wallet because I was satisfied with the wallet that I had. Let's go ahead and put my MagSafe wallet on there. Clicks just so. And I feel like the contrast between the gray black and the titanium looks really, really good together. So this is my setup until the iPhone 16 or 15.5 or 15 Pro Max Plus or whatever else they come out with this September, October, man. This is my quick unboxing and review of the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Be sure to be on the lookout for some tutorials and other things I'm going to be doing on the channel regarding this buddy here. And then you can tell me, man, just a quick thing that I wanted to talk about for a little bit is USB-C. So be looking out for a convo with you and me, a little dialogue going on the channel regarding USB-C and Apple, man. But this has been my quick unboxing and review of the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max in the natural titanium colorway. And I can't leave you without turning this on to say hello. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Until next video, man, it's been Steph. Let's get it.